expressing its strong displeasure over death of COVID patients allegedly due to shortage of medical oxygen in Uttar Pradesh. The Allahabad High Court on Tuesday said the authorities responsible for procurement and supply of the gas are committing criminal acts that are not less than a genocide. Congress and left parties slammed the post-poll violence unleashed by TMC workers on political opponents in West Bengal and said the electorate did not vote for such lawlessness. The Samajwadi Party is surging ahead in the Uttar Pradesh Panchayat polls, considered the bellwether of the high-stakes assembly polls next year, with counting trends indicating that SP-supported candidates were front-runners in 747 Jila Panchayat wards, while BJP-backed nominees were leading or have won 666 seats. Prime Minister Narendra Modi spoke to West Bengal Governor Jagdeep Dhankar, expressing anguish over the rise in political violence after Trinamool Congress won the election, while BJP chief JP Nadda visited the state to meet families of party workers killed in retribution allegedly by ruling party supporters. Chief Secretary Sitaram Kunte wrote to Union Cabinet Secretary Rajiv Gauba demanding at least 200 MT more liquid oxygen for Maharashtra as 16 districts saw continuous rise in COVID cases. Mumbaikars over 45 years of age will be allowed to get the vaccine today on the spot without prior registration. However, the walk-in facility is permitted only for 20% of the center's capacity, and the remaining have been asked to book their slot on CoWIN. A year after Indian and Chinese soldiers first clashed on the bank of Pangong Tso in eastern Ladakh, China is now further reinforcing its military position and rotating troops in the deft areas along the line of actual control in a clear signal that it has no intent to de-escalate anytime soon. India has reached out to top American pharma companies seeking investment in the country's pharmaceutical and medical devices sector, which gains urgency in view of devastating second wave of the coronavirus pandemic. Former President Donald Trump on Tuesday launched a space on his website where he can post messages that can be shared by others to Twitter and Facebook, sites where he remains banned. Chinese telecom vendors Huawei and ZTE have not found a place in the government's ambitious 5G trials, in a clear signal that business relations with the country's neighbor will remain restricted, amid growing concern around network security and prevailing tensions in diplomatic and military relations. In a significant move, the Punjab and Haryana High Court has directed the Haryana government to inform it about the power of authority vested in cow vigilance to raid homes of citizens. Haryana is directed to address the court on the power authority of vigilance to raid the house of the citizens.